You're traveling through another dimension. A dimension not only of sight and sound, but of mind. A journey into a wondrous land whose boundaries are that of imagination. Your next stop, the Twilight Zone. Let you come on my way before I knew who you were. Like the 1,000 thoughts in a beautiful blur. There was a ripple in the air before you walked into the room. Nothing I could tell you been good since you came out of the world. Could I be your North Star? Or maybe you're ever running into your heart. My love, it was the flood. Can't wash away. One time I heard you cry in the middle of the night. 'Cause you saw yourself in the demon, it was you but not right. And there was something in the room and it was hovering above. And maybe the ghost used to haunt the house where you grew up. So let yourself cry, but let the right feel the loves that's from your big eye. Our love is worth the time. Can't wash away. Can't wash away. Yeah, I knew that you were there before I knew you were alive. I could tell by the light in the sky before you walked up to die. There was something in the air before you walked into the room. They didn't know that you've been good since you came out of the